Hi! In front of me is CUBOT Note 9 and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder on this device. First of all, you need to find Sound Recorder app and access it. Then choose Allow in the pop-ups and click on this red button to start your recording. You can pause it or unpause it using the same one. If you wish to add a bookmark, click on the left one, and in order to end it and save it, click on the right one. Now click on the right one again to access the list of all your recordings, and as you can see, mine is here. If you wish to play it, click on it. If you wish to rename it though, you need to hold it, select those two dots at the top right corner and tap on rename option. Now type in wherever you wish to. I will go with some gibberish and choose save. In order to get rid of your recording though, you need to hold it again, but this time select the spin icon at the top right corner and just allow in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!